Bye-bye. Welcome to the show.
So we're at the park today. We're gonna play at the park and have some fun, but we're also gonna do a little learning activity. We're gonna do a scavenger hunt for some letters. So I've got some letters. So I've got some like foam letters. These come from our play mat in our playroom. So I just pulled out the letter part and I'm gonna hide these around the park. And then we're gonna let Alexi and Zoe go and find them and match them up till we have all 26 letters. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna go hide these right now. Do you see all the letters?
Yeah.
So there's all the letters right here, all the way from A to Z. So what we're gonna do, you have to go find the foam letters. You know what we're talking about, right? The foam letters?
Yeah.
Okay,
The
and then
one
you gotta,
that I hide, that's in the branches.
yeah, the ones that I hid in the branches. And then you gotta bring it back and you've gotta put it underneath the letter that it matches.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set?
Yeah.
Go!
Yeah.
Yay, Zoe!
Bring it here, Zoe. A letter, yeah, a letter. Come here. Come here, I'll show you where it goes. Is it match? We're gonna put S right there.
I found two.
You found two. What letters did you find? Let's look. What letter is this?
E.
E, yeah. E, okay.
Yeah.
So where does E go? Find the match for E.
Let me go find this one.
Yes. Okay, put it underneath. There you go. And what letter is this?
E.
Yeah, wait. What's Rebecca? Yeah. Right.
I found one.
You found one, eh, Zoe?
Yeah.
Zoe, go match it up.
Got another one. How many do you find, Zoe? You know that's not an E.
Oui, on va les faire du match.
Oui, Daddy. Oui, Mommy.
What is that?
Okay.
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 Oh, with a K.
That says okay.
Okay.
Put 'em with-
I love the park.
M.
Oh.
M. Bravo.
That's where it goes, Lexi. Match it up.
Where'd it go? See any matches? Yes!
Ça c'est V. The letter V.
Right here.
Bravo.
Right, mets les là.
Dad.
If you stand back here, you can look at all of them. You stand back and further and you see all of them at the same time. Come and stand back here. All right, scan with your eyes.
Start at this over here and look till you see one that matches. You see one that matches? Yeah.
Yeah, right on. R. Comment dit-on R en anglais?
R.
R. Okay, put it down.
Yeah.
Start again.
Let's start to A to Z.
A, B, C.
Yes.
That's it. Put it underneath. C, D, E,
F.
F. Qu'est-ce que tu tiens? Qu'est-ce que tu tiens?
F.
F. Mets-les. W. W.
Yeah.
Yay!
W X Y A Z.
Did you find the letter? Are you gonna go bring it to Alexi? Lexi, she's got a Y for you.
I found one in this ring here. Hey!
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you I would find A.
Good.
It's a circle. And then this account.
LMNO.
Okay.
Pay.
Okay, let's think.
Let's think here.
Is this the right way?
You know it's not the right way.
Or this the right way?
That's the right way.
A letter. Letter B. A B.
A letter.
Alexi, look. Zoe found the last letter for you. Yeah.
Is it B at the beginning of the alphabet?
Yeah.
Hey, did you find all your letters?
Yeah.
Let's say them.
A B C D E F C S E G K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y A Z.
If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities and adventures and lifelong learning.
Bye!